If you've been using B Wallet, you've probably wondered one thing. Can you actually withdraw your money? So let's take a quick look. First, there's an important detail. B Network is a real and active platform. But that does not mean you can freely cash out your BE balance right now. As of 2026, the official B Network says BEE is not listed on exchanges. It also cannot currently be traded, withdrawn, or converted. And this is where things get confusing. You may see a balance inside the app. But seeing a balance does not mean that balance has a real cash value. There are also different types of rewards and assets inside the B ecosystem. Some withdrawal features have existed for specific rewards, so it's important not to confuse those with the main BEE balance. So, is B Wallet a scam? I wouldn't call the entire B Network a confirmed scam. The platform is active, has a large user base, and continues to develop its ecosystem. But I would definitely be cautious. The biggest issue is the lack of a normal BEE cash-out option. There is also no confirmed exchange listing date right now. And please watch out for anyone promising instant BEE withdrawals or asking you to pay a fee to unlock your coins. B Network itself warns users not to pay people for KYC and never to share private keys or sensitive information. My quick verdict? B Wallet appears to be a real platform, but BE withdrawals are not currently available in the way many users expect. So, don't deposit money just because you see a balance. Do your own research, stay cautious, and only trust official B Network announcements.